On Thursday at the premises of State Convention Centre, Shillong, organised by the Office of the Mission Director National Health Mission, Government of Meghalaya, with the theme Time to Deliver Zero Malaria, Invest, Innovate, Implement. Speaking during the programme, Health Minister Dr. M. Ampreen Lyngdoh outlined the need to completely eradicate malaria by making people aware about their role in combating this deadly disease. Lyngdoh said that the department has made commendable efforts to ensure a decrease in malaria cases from 2015 till date.
Dr. Yvette Phira, welcome line departments from education, husbandry and veterinary, Muda, soil.
We are in agreement about one thing, and that is we have to get rid of malaria. So we must ensure that this occurrence of those 8 deaths doesn't increase, and I presume from the very detailed explanatory discussions that all of you have presented in this program today, it looks like you have everything under control, sir. So that's very, very important, and we appreciate it very highly.